Hey YouTube creators, welcome back. Are your videos not getting the clicks they deserve? Thumbnails are crucial, and a great one can make all the difference. Today I'll show you how to create eye-catching clickable AI thumbnails to boost your views. Whether you're new to thumbnail design or looking to improve, stick around for some awesome tips and tools. We'll cover everything from brainstorming unique ideas to generating stunning images with AI. First of all, take a look at this YouTube channel. This channel has AI-generated image thumbnails that attract millions of views on every video. The thumbnails are always spot on, grabbing attention and drawing viewers in. Let's dive into how you can create thumbnails just like his and learn the process step by step. First things first, you need a killer idea for your thumbnail. Now there are two ways to find it. The first way is to start by researching your niche. Look at the top videos in your category and see what kind of thumbnails they use. Pay attention to the colors, text, and images. Make a list of elements that catch your eye. Next, think about emotional triggers. Thumbnails that evoke curiosity, surprise, or excitement tend to get more clicks. For example, if your video is about amazing life hacks, you might want a thumbnail that shows a mind-blowing hack in action. Finally, sketch a few ideas. You don't have to be an artist. Just get your concepts down on paper. Another way to generate killer ideas is by asking AI for assistance. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini. My preference is Gemini because it can provide you with trending ideas. Here's how to do it. Write a prompt like this. Based on trendy viral AI thumbnails, give me 5 killer YouTube viral thumbnail image generating ideas for the video titled. Now here, write the title of your video. I am writing mine. Include elements such as color, text, human face expressions, and other key elements. This prompt will help you get specific, up-to-date suggestions for creating eye-catching thumbnails that can help your video go viral. Now, within seconds, you will have 5 ideas to work with. Read each one carefully and be ready to create an image based on the idea you choose from these 5. First, a simple thing you can do is ask Gemini to write a perfect image generating prompt for ideas #1, #2, or #3, or any other idea you prefer. After getting prompt, you can then read it and edit it to your preferences. Alternatively, you'll need to write a detailed prompt with some tips for writing the best prompts. Tip 1. Be specific. Mention the main subject, setting, and any particular details. For example, a surprised person holding a glowing gadget with a futuristic city in the background. Tip 2. Include emotions. If you want an emotional reaction, include that in your prompt. For example, a shocked face of a person who just discovered a hidden treasure. Tip 3. Add style preferences. If you want a specific style, like cartoonish or realistic, mention it. For example, realistic style, vibrant colors. Tip 4. Text, color, and fonts. Always remember to follow the color, text, and font pattern to create a consistent brand identity. Don't worry, I have provided all these prompts in the description, and I will also provide you with the best thumbnail fonts and color combinations. Once you have an exact prompt, it's time to bring it to life with AI. There are several AI tools available to help you create stunning thumbnails. You can use free software like Microsoft Copilot, Adobe Express, Leonardo, Pixlr, or Canva. Alternatively, there are paid options like Midjourney, DALL-E, and others. My favorite is Ideogram, an AI-powered image generator that creates amazing visuals based on text prompts. It's super easy to use and produces high-quality images. Here's how to use it. First, you need to sign up for Ideogram. You'll receive 25 tokens each day for free, and each token can generate 4 images. This means you can create up to 100 images daily for your thumbnails. Once you're set up, you can start generating images using prompts. This is where the magic happens. Let's create an example thumbnail for a video titled Top 10 Unbelievable Facts About Space. Here's my prompt. A person in awe looking at a colorful swirling galaxy with planets and stars, realistic style, bright colors. Now simply paste your prompt into the prompt box. Select the aspect ratio as 16:9 and choose the style you want. For instance, I am selecting photo and cinematic style. Then click on the Generate button. As you can see, the AI does a fantastic job of creating visually appealing images. You can tweak the prompts to get exactly what you need, play around with it, and see what works best for your style, and then download the best you like. Add elements and text you need, and remove the unwanted ones. This way, you can polish your thumbnail. And there you have it, a stunning, clickable thumbnail made with the help of AI. So these are the steps I follow to create tunenance adlies. Now I hope you know how to finalize your thumbnail. As you know, there are basic tools like Canva and Adobe Express where you can do this. I like using Adobe Express because it's super user-friendly and has tons of features. You can my thumbnail. You can follow them too and make making your thumbnail making journey super easy and less time-consuming. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you're watching this video, you're likely a creator. So don't miss the top AI websites for every creator video visible on the right side of your screen. I'll see you in the next video.